So tonight we're going to continue our discussion on division. But now we're going to look at remainders. What is a remainder and what is its purpose? Alright, so let's start with a division problem. And tonight I'm going to use all three different ways that we've learned about dividing so that you can find the one that works best for you. There's no right or wrong when you're dividing, as long as you're dividing correctly, but in which method you use, there's no right or wrong. So we're going to start with our first one being 63 divided by 4. And I'm going to do this first one using our base 10. So we have 63, and I mess that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. All right, and we got to divide this into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 left over I need to move here. So there's 2 10s make 21s, plus my 3 1s. I have now 23 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 3 left over and I can't split them among 4. So that means I have a remainder of 3. And where's my actual answer? We have 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 5 1s, which gives us 15, right here, 15, remainder 3. And how would we check that? Well, we do 15 times 4, so 10 and 5 and 4 gives us 20 and 40, add together gives us 60, and then we add our remainder, gives us 63, and that's what we start out with. So our answer is 15 remainder 3. Alright, let's try another problem. This time we're going to do hangman. So we're going to do 552 divided by 5. So let's do our hangman here. Okay, for 5 here, a 552. Well, I know 5 times 100 gives me 500, so that's an easy one. So 52, and 5 times 10 gives me 50. 2. Now 5 will not go into 2. That must mean that I have a remainder of 2. And what do I have here? 110. So our answer is 110 remainder, not equal. So I can, go back. See if I can find that eraser. Alright. Change back to our pen. Remainder 2. Alright. We're going to go back and check that out by multiplying, right? 110 and 0 times 2, sorry, times 5, 0, 50, and 500, 550, plus our 2 remainder gives us 552, which is what we start out with. Good job. All right, let's try one more. This time we're going to do our rectangle model, and we're going to do 6,210 divided by 8. So let's draw our rectangle. All right, 8, 6, 2, 1, 0. 1,000 won't work because that'd be 8,000. 100 will work, that'd be 800. And I know this. 500 would be 4. 5 times is 40. So we have 4,000. That's a good starting place. Gives us 200 or 2010. 400 gives me 1,600. 0, 1, make that a 12, make that a 1. 12 minus 6 is 6. Alright, so I have 610. Can't do any hundreds now. I could do another, but this one I could do 50, which gives me 400. Gives me 210 left. 210, okay. I do 20, gives me 160 this time. 0, makes that 11, makes that a 1, makes that a 5. Alright, now I'm at 50. Ooh, 6 gives me 48. Subtract gives me 2. And 8 will not go into 2, so 2 must be my remainder. 500 plus 200 is 700. 50 plus 20 is 70. And 6 means we have a total of 776, remainder 2. Alright. 3 different methods to do the same problem looking at remainders. Remember, remainders are whatever we have left over when our divisor is larger than the remainder. So like 8 cannot go into 2. We go back to the other slide. 5 cannot go into 2. We go back to the first slide. So 4 will not go into 3. Alright, so make sure you've copied your notes. Remember, you can rewind and play and pause it however you need. And make sure you're ready for tomorrow morning. See you then. See you then.